All right, so here's going to be how to filter information so you can create different messaging, primarily based on what URL these people are visiting. And so here we have RB2B automatically sending data into Clay via the Clay integration with webhooks. If you don't know how to do that, look at one of the other tutorials to be able to find that. But here it's sending in data, and RB2B is telling us what page they were on. And we also have a rule set up inside of RB2B that's tagging people who visit this page as a hot page. But there's also other ways to do that. Let's pretend that this wasn't here. The best thing that we could do is we can add a formula column and go if captured URL contains certain keywords that we want to look for, right? So in this case, it would be pricing. I want it to output, just pricing, for example. And when we do this, what will happen is that it'll add a row. And from here, we can add conditional formulas later on that go, hey, if this row contains pricing, then I want you to do this or this. And you could go enrich further data. You could go use Claygen to research their website. You could write specific lines in the email, maybe give them a special offer, something like that, right? You could also even have like Claygen look at the person's website potentially, or your own website, and use that to feed some of the data for your replies. There's a lot of different ways that you can go through it. But here, because RB2B is sending us this captured URL, there's a lot that we can do with it, where just adding this right here allows us to do so much more with it. And at that point, it's just the limit of your imagination. And so